study there.
잡아 이은 거예요.
You don't have to be a monk or
Oh.
nun. Layperson can join that if he's interested. It's up to you to decide.
아마 낭배 빼주시다기 있나?
If you look
시작
at
제시보였다.
Buddhist, it's very important to look at Buddhist
이렇게 해서
texts.
체리고
Even these days, it goes hand in hand with modern
학들
science.
레벨 체리고 저기
With,
쌈그 조당 꼴이야.
how different
낭배
emotions work.
뜻들이야. 도나 쉬우시.
Different
땡에서
people who are
요리게
studying scientists who
그래서
study brain emotions
세상
are
안에서
very interested in Buddhism.
샘컴 리그에 꼴이야.
Therefore,
낭배
Buddhist mind science
대주 셰셰고 때려다가 하는 요 말이야.
is very deep. There's probably no
저는
other
시골이
philosophy that
따수나?
explains it. That's good.
얘는 소소 냠내 지알이 핑그리.
It helps with
양치
practice.
매일 봐. 지금 샘컴 리그에 꼴을 드셔야
It's also helpful
이
to
탈도
explain
있고
to people.
그래서 if you have some sort of nature, what to say, a situation about your brain thinking a lot of things, then I think Nalendra philosophy, Nagarjuna's philosophy, these things, you see, you have sort of opportunity to think and investigate. Even what is Buddha? Where is I? I. Where is I? Here? No. Here? No. Then where is I? What do you think?
There's no proper definition.
Because easy. But nobody cannot deny existing of I. But if you investigate, you can't find. So we Buddhists say, I is there, but mere designation.
경험치 뒤에 아마 내 야구 제시. 물론 야구 캡시. 너 제주 캡든. 너 제주 캡든 있어.